Hello everyone, welcome to my division. In today's video, we are talking our topic about how to prevent diabetes. So let's start. So what is diabetes? Diabetes occurs when blood glucose is too high and because our body can't use insulin properly. So what are the risk factors? The family history of diabetes, overweight, excessive body fat, physical inactivity, unhealthy sugar diets, unhealthy diet, sugar, refined carbs, processed food, high blood pressure, abnormal cholesterol, and pre-diabetic. So, how to lower your risk on the science-based way to prevent diabetes? First, it's a primary view. The term is maintain healthy weight. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can reduce greatly risk of diabetes. Exercise properly. Aim is about 150 minutes in a week of moderate activity plus strength training. 2 weeks, 2 days in a week. Eat always eat healthy diet, whole foods, high fiber, lean proteins, limit sugar and refined carbs. Reduce belly fat. This is most important to reduce belly fat because abdominal fat is closely linked to the insulin resistance. Sleep well. 7 to 9 hours sleep of quality of sleep every night get is very essential to prevent diabetes. Manage stress. Chronic stress can be increased blood sugar and try meditation, deep breathing, and hobbies. Always avoid smoking and limit alcohol and regular checkups also important to find out the level of blood sugar. These are the early signs of diabetic, which have patient complaint of these complaints having these symptoms occurs before diabetic symptom. So we discussed in previous slide there who are higher risk factors of diabetes, and if anyone have history of diabetes, overweight or abdominal fat, physical inactivity, unhealthy diet, high BP, abnormal cholesterol, and pre-diabetic patients who have higher risk for diabetes and how to prevent, there are some tips to prevent diabetes. How to prevent? There is number one, always maintain a body health. Always eat balanced diet, more veggies, fruits, and whole grains. So always control calorie intake and portion size. Stay hydrated and maintain healthy weight. Exercise regularly. We are discussed about the frequency and the duration of exercise in previous slide. Brisk walking, cycling, swimming, dancing are the best regular way to prevent diabetes and make the body healthy. Strength training 2 days a week also important to maintain your strength and insulin. Always eat a balanced diet. Eat more vegetable, fruit, whole grains, pulse, and lean proteins. Limit sugar, refined carbs, and processed food. Always reduce abdomen belly because it increase the insulin resistance. Always sleep 7 to 9 hours and improve your sleep cycle. Always maintain your strength, avoid smoking, limit your alcohol, and get regular healthy checkups to detect problem early. And there are some common myths and takeaways. Common myths are myth is eating sugar alone cause diabetes. But diabetes occurs due to combination of genetic and excessive body fat, inactivity, and unhealthy lifestyle. Next myth is thin peoples cannot get diabetes. This is myth, but the fact is peoples with normal weight also develop diabetes, especially if they have a family history and unhealthy lifestyle. Diabetes can be cured completely with medicine. Medicine can control blood sugar, but a healthy lifestyle is a prevent to manage diabetes. Normal blood sugar takes means today there is no risk of diabetes. Pre-diabetic can be present without symptoms. Regular checkups are most important. Type 2 diabetes often is preventable, and a healthy diet, regular exercise, maintaining health, body, good sleep, stress management, regular health checkups can greatly reduce risk. So, small lifestyle change you are today can protect from diabetes. Stay active, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you for watching Medvision. These are the some preventable techniques to prevent diabetes. So follow for more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.